As I mentioned, once you cut one side, you can kind of wiggle them and get the remaining if that's easier. So I got 12 of the E4s. Now I need 4 E11s is the next part. So E11 is at the bottom here, the number 11. Gonna cut those off. To the bag. And then next we need 4 E13s. And then E13 is here. There's 4 of those. Adding them to the bag. And then the last one is A9. So going to pull out my A stencil, which is this yellow one here. And we need A9. Okay, so A9, there's 4 at the top and then there's 4 at the bottom. So we need all 8 of them for the bag. Got the first 4 cut out. Put them in the baggie. And I dropped one. Got the remaining 4. So I've got all 4 components for this bag in the Ziploc bag. Going to seal it up and place it to the side. Time for the next one. Pulling another sticker off my sheet. Placing it on the bag. And so for this one, we need E5. So going back to my E stencil. And then here is E5 here. We need 14 of them. So we're going to cut out all of the E5s. Be careful with cutting them out as the E5s as well as the E4s, and there may be some other ones where they have this little opening. So just be careful not to break this, to break either side of it. So be careful with those. I've got my 14 of the E5s. Next, we need E7. There's 6 of those. So E7 is across the top, and there are 6 of them. So going to cut these out. So I've got 6 of the E7s, placing them in the bag. And then for this baggie, what's left is 3 of the E3s. So here are the E3s right here on this side. So there are 2 E2s and then 3 E3s. So we just need these right here. And so for this one, right, we're cutting right here. Okay. So then I'm gonna cut along the bottom. I got my 3 E3s, and then I am done with this baggie and can place this to the side. Okay, so for the next bag, I'm going to pull the next sticker, place it on the baggie. And for this one here, I need 10 of the E6s. So I'm going to pull out my E-stencil. And then E6 is across the bottom here. So I'm going to cut these. Put along the top row. Okay, and then I'm going to come and cut along the bottom part of it.